chicken hawk. Well, the curly-head chicken better love with a chicken hawk. You better head over heels for that hawk sweet talk. He said, take me up, hawky, take me up in the sky. He said, take me up, hawky, take me up in the sky. I'm just a little bitty chicken and I don't know how to fly. He said, up, up and away, we gon' fly all day. Up, up and away, we gon' fly all day. Up, 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 up and away. He made a bald-headed eagle flying up there in the blue. He made a bald-headed eagle flying up there in the blue. Well, the eagle told the hawk, I'm gonna steal that chicken from you. Well, the hawk started flying like a P-8 single jet. Well, the hawk started flying like a P-8 single jet. He said, cool down, chicken, the eagle ain't got it yet. He said, up, up and away, we gonna fly all day. Up, up and away, we gonna fly all day. Up, 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 up and away. Well, you asked him for the sun and you asked him for the moon. Well, you asked him for the sun, then you asked him for the moon. He said, cool down, baby, we're gonna be there soon. He said, up, up and away, we gonna fly all day. Up, up and away, we gonna fly all day. Up, up, up,